Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my breakfast is instant ramen. Instant ramen. Ramen is noodle, Chinese noodle. Instant noodles are sold in pre-cooked and dried noodle block with flavoring powder. The main ingredients used in dried noodles are usually wheat flour, palm oil, and salt. And the flavoring powder are salt, seasoning, and sugar. The dried noodle block was originally created as fresh frying cooked noodles, and this is still the main method used in Asian countries, and air-dried noodle blocks are favored in Western countries. Instant noodles were invented by Monofuku Ando of Nissin Foods in Japan. They are launched in 1958 under the brand name Chicken Ramen. In 1971, Nissin introduced cup noodles and first cooked noodle products. Instant noodles are marketed worldwide under many brand names. Ramen, a Japanese noodle soup, is sometimes used as a descriptor for instant noodle flavors, while some Japanese instant noodle manufacturers it has become synonymous in America for all instant noodle products. I add ramen, soup, I add mochi, rice cake, and egg, onion, into noodle soup. This is dried noodle. Seasoning powder. Now I'm boiling dried noodle and the hot water. And this is ozoni soup, which I cooked last night. When The ozone soup is boiled. Add a piece of mochi, rice cake, and ramen, noodle, dry. Now, now add the egg. Noodle soup with egg and mochi. It's delicious. Enjoy it. Bon appetit. 召し上がれ。